Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been one hot minute since I've been back with you guys. It's just been so busy and so crazy this summer that I had to take a month off because it's just been a lot. But we have our lovely model here and I wanted to show you guys one of the simplest and highly requested updos or half dos that I've been doing for bridesmaids, and I thought it is still a bridal season. It is still that season where people want to have their hair done super quick but don't want to take their time. So I will show you one of the easiest ways to do like a twist half up on even your hair. That should be super easy, and how to hide the pins so that you don't see them when you are doing some type of do on yourself. So you would just want to start with like tousled hair. What you want to do is spray some type of texture spray or even hairspray on the top of the hair, and you could do really whatever. You could split your hair down the middle, you could create whatever you want as far as on the sides. We are just gonna pin a lot of this up and give her a little poof, and then pin the sides up so that you can see how that goes. First you want to spray. Now she already has textured hair, so when you do that, you just kind of want to run your hands through, and that creates more like the pieciness in the whole hair. And I'm just holding it because I don't have a stand. And then what you really want to do is just like start pulling out some of the pieces on the top, just because that'll create a little texture. So it's like super easy to do, and that's just one of the things that I've learned doing a lot of different updos. So you just kind of pull them apart and pull them upward, and that'll create more of a textured do versus like slicked back, because nobody's looking for something like that nowadays. So you can kind of see how that's creating a little bit more of that pieciness. And I just pinned these and we're gonna cover them up, and that is the most important thing when doing any type of hairstyle, whatever. Super easy. So the next thing you're gonna do is take where her ear is right there. We're gonna go halfway right there. And you're just gonna grab that hair. We're just gonna twist it and give it like 2-3 twists, and then you will be placing that right over the back portion of the head. And right as you cover that portion, you are going to pin right there, pinning it right in where, so going upward like that. You don't want to pin it like this, you don't want to pin it at the top, you want to pin it right underneath the twist, and then that'll hold it, and also covers any of those pins. So then once we do this part of the hair, like twist that and cover that, then that'll go right underneath there and you won't see any pins. So when you do pin that second part, you want to put it right underneath that piece, and that way you won't see any pins peeking through. Again, you want to pull some of these pieces apart, mostly just pulling them upwards. Now on this side, you can kind of see where there is like a little hole, so what you want to do is take any type of pin and just bring that up and then pin it, and just keep pulling pieces apart, and there you go. A lot of people do prefer to leave some of that hair down and curled. That way it's just a little bit up, but some do prefer it to be all the way off the ears. So if that's the case, then you just take another on the two sides and then pin those as well. And once you are finished with the two sides, you can see where you don't at all see any type of pins, and that is exactly what you want to do. So the most main thing to remember is you just overlap one right underneath there, that one goes underneath, the next one goes underneath that one, and then this one goes underneath that one, so you don't see any pins at all after you're done. And that is exactly what you want to look for. That is what we decided to make it look like. I will curl this up and then show you guys the finished look. And here is our finished look. I added a little accessory that always just makes it look more glam. So that is how that turned out. What do you guys think? Do you like these type of videos? I would love to do more of them like this. They are super interesting for me. I do love to teach other people how to do a very simple styles like this. I think this is super easy for you to do it on other people. on your daughter, on yourself, on your sisters, whoever. Well, thank you guys so much for watching and being here with me and seeing how we do this super simple do. If you'd like to have some type of more videos like this, let me know and give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, leave it in the comments below what you guys do like to see next. I haven't uploaded because I sometimes just get so busy and I just really haven't had time. Also, I would love to do more videos that are beauty related, and I'd love to know what you guys would like to see, so just put that in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.